Hello everyone, welcome to Crafting with Barbara. So today's tutorial is going to be a bumblebee theme, just because I also want to start working on something to decorate with bees in my kitchen, as well with my lemons. So I want to put a little something together that I kind of like came up with in my head. So I'm just gonna see how it turns out. Hopefully it turns out nice. So let's get started. I have a iced tea container. I have a piece of yellow felt. I think that's what you call it. I'm going to glue this the whole way around and cover the container. And then I have some flowers, sunflowers, and I have I took this. Okay, I have 4 little dogs. I love dressing them up for Halloween. I love dressing them up. So they got a little too big for this little bee outfit. So I was looking around today and I found it and I was like, oh my God, wait. My head started going all over the place. So I'm going to go with my head. Now, I found it and I took off the little strap parts where you strap it onto the dog. I cut those off and then I put some cotton in the head part and I glued it shut like right here. And I'm going to go and see how this turns out. Like, I'm going with something I have in my head, like I said, I'm just going to go with it. But I also have this little beehive that I made last summer. If you guys want to know how I did that, just comment down below and I can show you guys. Everything is from Dollar Tree. So what I did was I took a flower pot, which they're like really easy to break and like really like bendable. So I put 2 of them together and glued them. And then, you know, the rope from Dollar Tree, just completely wrapped it the whole way around. And then this is like one of those outside little hanging things of a bee. And I just cut it off the little clip parts that hang it. And I use that to stick here. And then this is just a piece of cardboard from Dollar Tree, foam board. The black ones, I just cut a circle and then I glued it here, did my wrap around with it. I put some sunflowers that I also got at Dollar Tree. And then this part right here is glue. I tried to make it look like honey was spilling, but I don't know. I mean, I like it. I think it's pretty cool. It came out pretty cool. So if you guys want to know how I like show you completely how I did this, just let me know. But so that's gonna go like on the top. So let's get started here. Now the thing is, remember guys, I was having trouble with my glue gun. So I plugged in my old little one just to see if, with the miracles of crafting God, it works for me again. Because I tried to go buy more glue sticks for my big gun that I'm scared of. They had none left. And I have to buy the large ones, like the bigger ones. So not the little thin ones that you can put in, the smaller ones. So, and I have a lot of that glue. So I'm only working with like a half that's in there and like this one. So I plugged in the small one and I'm hoping it's going to be nice and it's going to work for me because it worked for me. So I'm trying to like just dab a little bit of glue. Not too much. That way I don't run out fast, just in case the small one doesn't want to work for me again. I know I have to get a new one. But I really wanted to make this tutorial today, and I didn't realize that I actually, like, I knew I needed to get glue, but I didn't know that I only had that little so So I'm just putting some glue on the can and then just rolling this on to it. I'm just trying to do quick, that way I try not to run out of the glue. Okay. Then if you have any left, like this at the bottom, you can always cut it. All right. See? And then this, I'm not cutting it the whole way short because I want to glue it down. That way you don't see the top part of the lid for when I lay my little beehive on the top. I'm just squirting a little bit on the top. I can at least give this a good fold down. And this, like I said, is just a can. All right. See? So this line back here will be, I don't know if you guys can see it with you. Oh, there it goes. That's going to be like the back side of it. Excuse me. So my beehive, I wanted to put here like this. So I'm going to just put some glue down here. Hopefully I don't run out of glue and we can get it the whole way down. Just hold it down a couple minutes just to make sure that it's sticking. I tried to find another one of these this year because they started putting out their summer stuff and things like that. And I've been trying to find another one and I cannot find one. Because like I said, I wanted to make a couple things with the bees and the lemons, but I haven't been able. Okay, feels like it's on there pretty good. Okay, so now, see, that looks really pretty. Even if you left it like that and just added flowers, it still looks pretty. So with my little bee, so what I wanted to do was, I kind of had an idea of like sticking it maybe on like this and then wrapping the body around, see, where it's like, see, but I don't know if I want to do it that way or if I want to stick it this way and go around this way with it, but then the head's facing another way and I don't like that. So I feel like I need to go this way with it. Like, sorry guys, I have it facing me because I need to see where I want to go with it. So I was thinking maybe something like this. Or maybe I can go this way, but then that's two bee heads on the same side. That way the face is in the front. Sorry guys, I'm trying to figure out how I want to put it. I think this might work. All right, so I'm going to have to put some glue on my little face here. So it can help stick it. Okay, I have to turn it my way for a quick minute, guys, because I want to make sure I'm getting this right where it needs to be. Oh, this glue's so hot. I need to get my little finger thing because this glue is really freaking hot. Where did I stick it? Oh my, I'm always losing things. Okay, so there, I have it stuck there. Now I'm gonna push some of the cushion back up. All right. And you know what? If you wrap around with it, you kind of cover your line back here. Just notice that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna wrap it. So I want to put some glue because I don't want it to fall. Gotta hold it from the top here. I think that's gonna look pretty cool. See, and then I'm just wrapping it around. The towel is so cute. Okay, I think that's pretty cool. Look, guys, and see it just wraps around. Then I want to add flowers to it. Okay, I have some flowers here on the side. Hey. Okay, and then let's start gluing some flowers. Now these are a little different than the ones I have here. I don't know where I put the rest of these, but it's okay because they're still yellow. I know I use my mouth because all you got to do is pull it out, but with my hands hurting me all the time, I don't want to struggle trying to pull it out. Okay. So I just added these two right here. Okay, so now the back of our little bee right here, like where the dog's collar comes out of, you can see the little hole there. So I was thinking put a flower there. Because I don't think y'all want to see the little hole right there where the collar comes out of. All right, see? Just cover it up because you don't want to see that. Okay, so I think I want to put, oh, wait, I need to glue it a little more right here. Okay. My flowers look a little blue. Like, blue. Look at them. It's because I kept them in this, like, sandwich bag thing because I didn't want to lose them like I did the other ones. I have so much stuff. It's just like a lot of stuff is like put away in bins, and when I want to make something, I gotta go dig in. And then on top of that, you know, there's things you go out to the store to get and they don't got. So it's like, all right. See, I'm just adding more flowers. I want to, where else should I add flowers? Maybe I can add like one more right here in the, right here. Sorry, guys. Act like you guys can turn in and see it. Maybe one more like right here. And then maybe put some down here at the bottom. Sorry, guys. And I'm going to put one more right here. Let me hold it there a couple minutes. I think that is adorable, guys. It's like a bee wrapped up. Maybe wrapped around the bottom of a beehive. I don't know. I just come up with things sometimes in my head and I just go with it. I guess a lot of crafters I know do that. All right. Come on here. I'm trying to put little dabs, but dabs enough that it'll hold it. Okay. I'm just holding it down at the bottom. A couple minutes because I don't want it to come off. Then I have this little adorable bear that I had found in the thrift store. I showed him in one of my haul videos. I think I did, yeah. And just because of the adorable hat, I want to use this as well onto my little bee things. But I think I'm going to save him, well, her, sorry. And I'm going to use her adorable little self for another like craft with my bees. So that's what we're going to do with her. I brought her out because I was like, well, you never know. Maybe she'll go somewhere nice here. But I thought about it and I was like, no, I think I'm going to use her. Because I still want to make a cake, like a little cake. Like, I still want to make a couple other little things. And see, I'm just sticking some on the bottom. You know what? Maybe this will help, guys. I'm sorry. I do this all the time to you. See? I think that's adorable. Okay, so we're going to put some more on the bottom. I know a lot of you are saying, why aren't you just grabbing a wire cutter? Because I don't need to cut them. I need to just get them out. I think this is going to turn out cute. Oh my goodness, I'm excited now. Maybe I need to glue it right there a little bit. And then I also tried to find, okay, if you, let me see if I can move it up and you guys can see it. You see the real little bees right here? Okay, I found those little bees at Walmart. I believe it was Walmart. I think it was Walmart when I made this, first made this. I think it was Walmart, and it was like a whole bunch in a pack. So I'm gonna probably have to go get me some more because they don't bring a whole bunch in a pack. But I think I have one bee somewhere around here where I see. Here goes my finger thing. Hey, I found a bee as well. See? It was meant for me to find my finger thing because I found my little bee. So I want to put this bee somewhere like here in the middle, but I'm going to wait until we get some more flowers on here. I think this is going to turn out adorable, guys. Look. I think I'm going to, I don't think I'm going to have enough flowers to go the whole way around. So maybe go back this way around. Maybe put one more here. And then try to put the rest over this way. I'm probably not going to be able to put none towards the back. But it's okay. It's still going to be adorable. Okay, wait. I was going this way. See, guys? It would have looked even more adorable. I mean, it's looking adorable already, but I think it would have looked even more adorable if I had the same flowers down here that I have right here. But you know what? It still looks beautiful. So it's okay. So I'm going to go back on this side because I'm kind of empty over here. Guys, I'm making it work. I didn't run out of glue yet. I haven't even tested the other one. And see if I got it working again. I don't know why it stopped working on me. And it's like I had it for so long. Maybe that's why. But I love the way it worked. It didn't burn my fingers. And okay, let's see. Blue's coming out. It's moving. Oh my God. Yes. Okay. Give me some time to get another one. Oh my God, this is turning out adorable. So I have to figure out, maybe put one flower like right here in the middle to put the little bee in the middle of it. I don't know, let's see. Because I have one flower left right there. Okay, I have one flower left. Hold on, let me check this bag. These are more like an orange, and I don't want that. So we're gonna, okay, so let me see. If we stick, no, I don't want to stick. You know what, I'm not gonna stick it there. No, I'm just gonna, let me see. I'm gonna put it in the head up here. I have a gap that I just seen. where I put the flower to cover the little hole where your dog's leash comes out of. I had like a pretty good gap right there, so I'm just gonna stick this last flower there. See? 'Cause I had a real bad gap there, and I just noticed it when I twisted it. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a little dab right here as well on the little outfit, just to help it stick a little better onto the beehive. Okay, so where'd my little bee go? Okay, so my little bee, I think I'm gonna stick right there. I wish I had like a perfect flower that I can put there, but like I said, I ran out of these. So we're just gonna put the bee. You know what? Hold on, guys, my bee went flying. Okay, got it. It's the most adorable little bees ever. Can you guys see it? See it? A bee on my nose. I think it's so cute. I want to go back and buy more. Okay, I think I'm going to put it right here. I gotta definitely hold it a minute because I think these little bees are for you to make I'm not sure if it's for you to make bracelets or what they're made for, but in the back of them they had a little hole where you can honestly I think it's to make bracelets. I definitely want to go back and see if I can find more. Okay. Can you guys see it? I know it's tiny, but it's adorable. Look, look, look. Oh, my goodness. Okay. So all these little things, I'm not going to throw these away because remember, guys, I always say I save every little thing that I feel like I may be able to use later on. So we're going to go ahead and save those. Now, all these little things that I broke here, all cut off, we're gonna toss those. Okay, so here we go, guys. I think this turned out nice. See? Aww. I hope my doggies don't get mad I used their little outfit. They won't even notice, and they'll be happy because I think they hate when I dress them up. Especially my boys. Oh, I have 2 boys and I have 2 girls, and they're Chihuahua Yorkies. This is adorable. Oh my god, I didn't think it was gonna come out this cute. Oh my. This did turn out nice. Oh my goodness. I'm glad I just went with it. Look at that. Let me keep showing you guys. Look. This part doesn't look like evenly straight, but it's okay because remember it was supposed to I was trying to get these to pop up a little more like that, but they won't, so I'm not gonna fight them. I tried bending it and it still didn't really work, so I'm not gonna mess with it and mess it up or break it. So here we go, guys. I think this turned out wonderful. I really love the way this turned out. Really, really, really do. I wish I had a flower maybe to put right here, if he was digging in a flower or something. But like I said, was like, I have the, oh, you know what? I have this little, but see, the thing is with this little teeny one I have right here, because I was looking at it, it has, let me see if I cut this part off. See, I was thinking like right here. You know what? I think I'm gonna do it. Let me turn it this way. All right. See? I think that's adorable. Oh my god. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think putting that flower there was a good idea. Okay. So here we go, guys, and it is done. And it was pretty easy. So don't forget, guys, if you want to know how me do a tutorial on how I made my beehive with my little bee here on the top, comment down below, and I'll try to get a tutorial out on how to do that. The problem is, like I told you guys, I cannot find this bee nowhere. I got him at a Dollar Tree last year, and I cannot find no more. It's like the bee, it's like those little, I don't know what you call those, but you hang them outside and they make like the little noise. A lot of people hang them outside on their porch and they look really beautiful. That's what that is. I just took off all the other parts. But I think this is great. So we're done here, guys. I hope you liked this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope someone else tries it, because I know a lot of crafters and a lot of people have dogs. And I know a lot of people dress up their dogs. I'm not the only one. So even if you find one around Halloween time, and I believe I got this at Walmart around Halloween time. This little dog costume. That's what it is, a little dog costume. And there we go, guys. Like I said, it's very easy and very easy, you know, to put together. And like I said, it was a can, an iced tea can. I don't know where I put my wrapper, but it was like those iced tea cans that you get. And that's it. So I hope you guys liked this tutorial, and I hope you really enjoyed it. And please don't forget to subscribe and give a like to this tutorial. And please, guys, do not forget and help each other out. Nothing wrong with that. So I will see you guys in the next one. And I really, really hope you guys enjoyed my beautiful little bee cake that I put together. I think it really turned out adorable. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.